My name is Murphy Wiegand, and this is my classroom website. The first page we have is the home page. The home page basically describes everything that you will find on this website. The next tab that I have is the Meet Miss Wiegand tab. This tab basically tells about my life and how I came to choose this major and why I chose this major and what I like to do and just fun facts about me to get to know me as a teacher personally. The next tab I have are resources. This is just to help parents with finding anything they need to know, and it has some different websites that they can use for their children that include like games and educational videos and a bunch of different resources that are helpful for teachers to use and also parents as well. The next tab I have is a supply list for a classroom, and this just tells you everything that you're going to need for my class. It tells you how many things and just puts it in a list so it's easy to see what you need for my class. The next tab that I'm under are the technology projects. So under technology projects, I have my digital story, and that's just a story that I made. It's on a science topic. It's animal life cycles, and it just explores the life cycles of various animals, and it's just like a fun way for students to learn about that topic. The next tab I have under technology projects is the mobile app, and I chose one mobile app to talk about, and it's Apple Clips. And I made a video just to show you how to use the app and the different features of the app, and you can even watch a video on how to use it correctly, and it's just an educational video if you don't know how to use this app. Next tab under technology projects is PLN and PLE. PLN is a personal learning network, and right here I have just like what it's about and how to use it and everything you need to know about a PLN. And the same goes for PLE, which is a personal learning environment. And it tells all about it, and I have a link on what it is and the definitions and all of that stuff. And then under it, I made a table, and I have 3 categories, and I have the definitions for each. I have some links to find the websites about this, and then I have some examples, and then I have reflections right here. And you can click on my blog reflection, my curation tool reflection, or my microblog reflection. It just tells you more about these things in general and how to use them, and it's just a helpful tool for teachers and parents. The next tab I have is my website evaluation. So I chose one website, an educational website for kids, and I evaluated it and I say why it's useful for students to use. And I did a little evaluating website survey and just filled some things out. It's helpful. See if you want to use this website on your own, you get your students to use the website as well, or your kids to use it. And I just wrote about the website and how it's helpful. The last tab that I have is evaluations, and under evaluations is my Apple Teacher certification. And this just shows all the badges that I have earned to become a certified Apple teacher. So these are all of them right there that I have earned. So now if we go back to my home page and you scroll all the way down, in the left-hand corner I have my tech blog. And my tech blog is just a blog that I use to write about how to use wikis in a classroom. So this is just some tips and how to incorporate using wikis in a classroom if you're a teacher, and just fun ways to get the students involved. I also have a blog on copyright, just explains how to properly use copyright and just some tips and stuff to definitely use it correctly and not get in trouble with copyright. And then at the bottom, I just have my blog introduction and just a little stuff about me, some fun facts. And here's a picture of me. And yeah, that's what my teaching blog is. And on the right, I have some links right here. And then I have a Wikipedia that you can quickly search just to make it easier on yourself.